How you doing, people? Hope you're well. Okay, very quick video, 3 tips, very useful to know, and I don't really see anyone else mentioning these. They might seem a little bit bizarre, 3 silly little tips, but the only reason I mentioned them is that I know people have injured themselves doing these things. Tip number 1, when you're getting into and out of your car, go into your car, if you're going into the driver's seat or the passenger seat, backside first, and then move your legs across. And then when you're getting out of the car, move your legs, both your legs, out of the car and then get out. Seems like a crazy little tip, but the number of people I know that have pulled their back getting into or out of a car. Their body's cold, they go in with one leg, twist, bend, get in, and then think, I've pulled something in my back. And I know it's happened too many times for really it to be not that silly a tip really. The key is getting in with a degree of symmetry so that both your legs move at the same time. Okay, so you may laugh at that one, but that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, almost seems a little bit embarrassing to say this one, but I do know people that have hurt their back doing this, so I'm just going to say it. When you put your pants on in the morning, sit down to do it. In other words, don't stand up, put one leg in, slightly trip up, bending over, try and get the other leg in. Again, seems a little crazy thing to say, but I know people that have pulled their back putting their pants on in the morning. Sometimes these people are fit enough to do good full training sessions when their body's warm, but these things happen when you're doing bending, twisting, awkward movements when you're cold. Which leads me on to the next tip, which is as soon as you get out of bed in the morning, have a hot shower. It's the quickest way to warm your body up. If the nozzle detaches, put it around your lower back, both sides, and your neck, left and right movements, up and down, and you'll immediately feel more flexible, especially if you're going to do a workout in the morning. Okay, I better go, it's getting a bit noisy. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.